Cardio exercise for healthy life. Before we get started, please don't forget to check out our researched recommendations in the description box below. Everyone has wondered at some point in time which cardio exercise is better. To put it in simple terms, both low and high intensity exercises will help you to burn off body fat. The question here is which is the most effective to burn off more body fat. When scientists first discovered that during intensive exercises, your body burns glycogen, which is a form of stored carbohydrates that are stored in your liver and muscles for energy. During low-intensity exercises, your body will burn a lot of fat. If you're wondering whether or not it works, the answer is no, because there are so many obese people still around. Even though they are working out with low-intensity routines, it still makes you wonder how it can be. The scientists were right when they said the human body burns more body fat during low-intensity exercises like walking or swimming. During a high-intensity exercise such as running, the body will burn a lot more calories. Even if some of the calories burnt are from glycogen, there are still many fat calories burned as well. To put the icing on the cake, when your store of glycogen gets low, the carbohydrates from your food you eat will later get converted into glycogen to fill up the store and won't be converted to body fat when they are left unused for energy. High-intensity cardio exercise will juice up your metabolism even after you have completed your workout. What this means is that your body will continue to burn body fat hours after you have left the gym. This effect is nearly non-existent in low-intensity cardio or aerobic workout. Accumulatively, your body will burn up more and more calories during and after you have finished a high-intensity cardio exercise than it will with low intensity. You can inject high-intensity exercises into your cardio workout by introducing some interval training. You can walk for 5 minutes or so, then break into some jogging for another 5 minutes or so. Then, walk briskly again until you have caught your breath and then sprint for a minute before you walk again. From this point, simply alternate your running and walking for the next 15 minutes until you are finished. One of the best things about cardio is the more you do it, the more energy you'll have. Cardio will help you to burn calories, although it's more useful for keeping your energy levels high. If you've never tried cardio before, you should give it a shot. If you like to exercise, you'll find cardio the best way to boost your energy and keep in top shape. If you are just starting out, you'll want to go slow and keep your cardio exercise in track, as it is very easy to overexert yourself. Don't forget to check out our recommended product links in description. If you find this video helpful, make sure to like and leave your comments. And if you want more informative videos like this, please make sure to subscribe nSolutions. Have a good day.